So we're taking your 80-year strategic relationship to the next level by increasing both the depth and the breadth of the capabilities for our women and our youth, by building the software development house to power up use cases not only for the kingdom, but for the region and for the world, and we're very excited. Arvind, you've always been very, very visionary in calling out market transitions. I've had a couple of discussions weeks ago at Davos that we are on the verge of the fifth industrial revolution, or the innovative revolution with AGI and generative AI, and some signals are even suggesting the quantum time or the quantum age. And I know that IBM has been doubling down and continues to fuel the quantum revolution. Can you share with me your vision on this?
Yeah. So when we have looked at the history of the world, a lot of economic growth, a lot of prosperity gets driven by these revolutions. Your Excellency mentioned industrial, but that really goes back to the first one was a steam engine. Then there was all of the areas we know around steel, railways, etc. One that the kingdom has benefited from is oil and energy. And now if we look at it, the fifth one that is coming is going to be powered by AI. And many of us, you reflected on the Davos statement, I actually asserted AI will be as big, if not bigger, than the steam engine. So if you think about that, that unified countries, because the steam engine allowed you to bring power where it was needed, not be where power is, which used to be riverbanks in those days. Quantum is kind of the next inflection point. And the reason I'm so excited, digital and AI solve many, many problems. We saw some examples up on the stage. Your Excellency talked about a few, brought up a couple. But quantum is going to bring problems that we don't know how to address today. How do we grow more food? How do we begin to be much more cyclical on carbon in the hydrocarbon cycle? How do we extract more oils with less pollution? How do we decrease risk in the financial systems? And you think about all the risks driven by geopolitics today, but if you look at the financial side, that's equally big. And so can we use quantum to address all those problems? And I think we are within now, many people say 10, I think we are 3-5 years away from quantum beginning to have those impacts on problems in the real world.